This is Cahsee Math Release question number 28. It says, what is 3/4 minus 1/6? So again, we need a common denominator here. If you haven't watched the past 2-3 videos, something like that, we've been doing stuff like this. What is the LCM for these two values? The LCM is going to be, you'd have 4 times, well, 12 would be the lowest. 4 times 3 would be 12, and 6 times 2 would also be 12. So the LCM, the lowest common multiple, is going to be 12. That's the fastest way to do it, if you see that. Well, it's 3/4 times what? 3/4 times what on the bottom here is going to give you 12 times 3. So you'd have a 3 on the bottom and a 3 on the top. That's like multiplying by 1 there. And we're subtracting now. We're subtracting these values. So 1/6, you'd be multiplying that by 2 over 2 to get a 12 on the bottom. Put this together, or simplify this. You've got 3 times 3 is 9, over 4 times 3 is 12, 1 times 2 is 2, 6 times 2 is 12. Now it's real easy once they're the same denominators. You can just rewrite that denominator on the bottom. 9 minus 2 is 7. That is your final answer right there. So let me show you another method though. So using that, what I kind of refer to as the opposite denominator method, you just multiply by the opposite denominator. Here would be multiplying by 6 with this one and 4 with this one. So let's see what that gives us, and let's verify that that gets us the same thing in the end. So you can kind of pick and choose whatever method makes more sense to you here. That's the way I would recommend doing a problem like this when it comes Cahsee time. So minus 1/6. Opposite denominator of that one was 4, so multiply by 4 over 4. And let's see what we got. So we have 18 over 24 minus 1 times 4, 4 over 24 here. 18 was just the 3 times 6. And you have 14 over 24, which becomes, if you divide by 2, both of those, they're both even, so they're both divisible by 2. You have 7 over 12. Final answer is the same thing either way you do it. Choice C.